The preview of the best movies of 2018. Our Hollywood expert Chris Connelly breaking down the hottest bets at the box office.
In a year that'll bring the early days of Han Solo and the last 50 Shades, hot takes and fresh faces hope to rekindle film going for 2018.
You may call me Mrs. Gray.
Even as such Oscar-eager fare as The Post begins the year by opening nationwide.
Do you have the papers?
Not yet.
Empire's Taraji P. Henson is not to be disrespected when she's playing an assassin in Proud Mary, out in time for Martin Luther King weekend, which is when Liam Neeson's thriller On a Train,
What do you want from me?
The Commuter, will arrive. Thinking big? Way oversized animals pose a challenge for Dwayne Johnson in Rampage. Is it merriment or mayhem most foul? Rachel McAdams and Jason Bateman can't always tell on game night.
Is this gun real?
Oh, no, Andy.
Blood!
And fans of director Wes Anderson are licking their chops for his Isle of Dogs.
Nobody's giving up around here, and don't you forget it, ever.
Chadwick Boseman stars in Marvel's much-awaited Black Panther.
It's hard for a good man to be a king.
It'll be Alden Ehrenreich as the genial lead of Solo, a Star Wars story. And watch for a superpowered Jack in The Incredibles 2.
You have powers!
Want more sequels? Ryan Reynolds is back for Deadpool 2, The Avengers.
But this does put a smile on my face.
And Jurassic Park franchises each have new installments. Hotel Transylvania 3? Anna and Christian have wed, but married life can be a pain in the trilogy ending 50 Shades Free.
Good morning, wife.
And as Bruce Willis tries to get even in Death Wish, Natalie Portman is not sure what she's seen in Annihilation. And director Ava DuVernay has Oprah Winfrey and Chris Pine on board for A Wrinkle in Time.
Be a warrior.
I'll try.
Time you are going to the movies. For Good Morning America, Chris Connelly, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Chris, thank you. I haven't seen any movies in recent. I need to. Maternity leave, it's coming.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do.
Way to spend your time.
All right, guys.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.